In this video, I'll guide you through how to hide balances on Trading 212. Whether you're sharing your screen with someone or simply want a little privacy, hiding your balances can be really handy. So let's dive right into it. First things first, open the Trading 212 app on your device. Once you've got the app open, navigate to the main menu. This is where you'll find all the key functions and settings that the app has to offer. If you're not familiar with the layout, the main menu is usually accessed through an icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines, commonly known as the hamburger menu. Once you're in the main menu, the next step is to scroll down and tap on Settings. This section is crucial because it houses all the options you need to customize your app experience. It's a good idea to explore this area from time to time, as it can offer handy features that enhance your trading experience. In the Settings menu, you'll want to look for Privacy and Security. This is where you'll find options related to the safety and privacy of your account. It's always wise to frequently check this section to ensure your personal information and trading activities are well protected. Now, once you're inside the Privacy and Security settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Flip to Hide Balances. This feature is designed to give you quick control over the visibility of your balances. By simply flipping your phone, you can hide your balances from view, which is particularly useful in situations where you need privacy on the go. Go ahead and turn on the Flip to Hide Balances option. Once it's enabled, the feature is active and you can test it out. Just flip your phone and you'll see your balances disappear from the screen. It's a seamless way to ensure that your financial information stays private, especially if you're in a public setting or sharing your device with others. And there you have it. That's how you hide balances on Trading 212. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain your privacy while using the app. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring other features within the app that might further enhance your trading experience. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.